A very good morning, students. Children, have a look at this picture. Can you see? Look at this picture. What type of pollution is it? You will immediately say it is water pollution. Yes, children, it is water pollution. Just have a look in other pictures also. You can see the factories, all different type of factories like power station or maybe nuclear factories or the chemical factories. What they do, they dump their waste in the water bodies. They make they join their waste, and there is a pipe which go and their outlet, you see it coming to those maybe the water bodies or in the drainage system you see. That's why when you go to those places in Bharuch, like Ankleshwar, you can not only smell the different chemicals, you can see those drainage system where it is filled with all those chemical waste which is coming from the factories. So you can see even the river, water bodies, this boatman is finding difficult to take out his boat because it is filled with garbage. What we do, we think that river is a holy place and we throw all our religious material in the water. By that we not only pollute the water, we actually creating a serious threat to the water bodies. Okay, then you can see those chemical waste coming and dumping in the water bodies. You can see the sea creatures dying because of pollution in the sea. Okay, so what happened, children? When harmful substances are discharged into water bodies, harmful, you can understand all the chemical materials or whatever it is which is polluting the water. When they are discharged, when they are thrown in the water bodies, it can be any type of, it can be a lake, it can be a pond, it can be river or sea or ocean. They cause water pollution. Okay, dumping all the waste material we have, the factories, they dump those waste material in the water bodies and they cause serious problem. So what happened? It makes water unfit for consumption. Just imagine you keep a glass of water and will you throw all the garbage there and drink that water only? No, never. So this is what we are doing. We are throwing everything in the water bodies like rivers, lakes or ponds and taking that water only for drinking. So that causes a serious threat to our cells, not only to human beings, even animals. They drink drink the water. Animals bathing in the river, and that water only we are consuming. That is say consumption or to live for animals. Even the animals find difficult to live. I told you because of oil spill. Suppose the ships carrying oil and they meet with an accident and there is oil spill, and oil, it doesn't mix with water, it doesn't mix with the liquid, it floats, and that is for that reason the aquatic animals, they can't breathe in, and so many times you see in the newspaper or watch the news channel that many sea animals, creatures or aquatic animals, they die and they are found dead on the seashore. So, and even plants also, if the water is not, it is polluted water, then it will cause harm to the plants. Plants also need water, air. Okay, and different diseases are caused due to this because when we drink, we don't know, and we are drinking, and if you store that water, you will see some little shallow water or reddish, and you can understand that this water is not pure, it is not crystal clear. Jaundice, gastroenteritis and typhoid, these are all diseases caused due to drinking polluted water. You have studied in science that how the drinking polluted water causes different diseases, and these are some of the diseases which are caused due to this drinking polluted water. Jaundice, gastroenteritis, where you have loose motion, and typhoid with fever and diarrhea. You have these diseases are caused due to drinking polluted water. So we should take care that our water bodies are not polluted by us, okay, and we should take care that we are drinking fresh water. And not only that, we, for human beings, for animals and plants, we should take care of our environment.